Starting. So firstly, this mic is going to this little girls. Take it, and this side you take it. Okay. Huh. So start. You, Mister. Huh. Come on. Start.
So my topic is a private hospital. My private hospital is good. My name is Kumar Sodu, and I'm going to talk about
On camera. Camera also.
I'm
Huh.
going to talk about private hospitals. So private hospital, as you know, it is the best. It is the best, I think, according to the reports. You can see different types of private hospitals getting different types of awards, and there are super facilities there, super facilities and super special facilities available in that private hospitals.
Yes, this side. Government hospital.
Which type of special facilities you are talking about?
Actually, all
Firstly,
types
your
of
name.
facilities.
First, your name.
Like
Wait, wait.
So I want to introduce myself. My name is Janraj and today is going on debate. I am in favor of government hospital. So I am asking what is the special facilities of private hospital?
For example, you can say different types of facilities. For when patient go for the treatment, all types of facilities related when you diagnosis, when you get treatment, when you find your disease, then there is a special types of machines available there, but not in government hospitals.
But nowadays there are many types of machines are also available in government hospital.
No,
Government
I
hospital is
haven't
also
seen
available.
yet. I visited so many of government hospitals. but I
Not, I
haven't
am not
seen
talking about Bihar. I am talking about out of Bihar.
out of Bihar.
Yeah.
Why are you not talking about Bihar? Come on, huh? Ask question to
And
her.
there is also not good facilities.
But in
of-
majority, because I have visited in Bihar, so there must be na. If you're not providing, I also went to Delhi and there was a hospital, but there is a big law to treat yourself. If your head is broken, if you are headache, if you have any type of serious disease, but you have to stand in row. What's the point?
Private hospital.
No. You have to. If you go to the private hospital, then they will admit you to super fast. And different types of staffs available there. They are providing different types of facilities.
So there is no any staff in government.
Yeah, staffs are available, but in minorities, and the government is not providing different types of. Unemployment is, as you know, in India, unemployment is a major factor, and these are the points. Unemployment is also available in government hospitals.
So
Factor in our country. So this also affects our government hospitals.
so it
No, it's fault of government also, and it is
No,
it is directly proportional to the government hospitals also, because it is fault of government hospital. If you are not providing the
but
correct
there is
correct
also
data,
but there is also not good facilities in private hospitals.
different types of hospitals, maybe in a
are
minor,
talking about maybe.
yeah, in minor
Maybe.
case I'm talking about exception. So exceptions are available everywhere.
Also in government hospitals.
No, but in majority is.
Okay, huh?
As we know, government hospital, private hospital is better than government hospital because the private hospital is has good treatment because the doctor and staff of government hospital told people to admit your patient in private hospital because we don't have a good treatment of the dangerous illness like brain tumor and cancer. And private hospital is cleaner than government hospital, and that they give you good facilities and good treatment.
Yeah, here is myself Shivam Kumar, and we are going to debate on government hospital, and we are in favor of government hospital. So you say that the heart treatment like cancer, brain tumor will be not treatment on the government because government not provide this type of treatment. So this is and PMCH, Mahavir Cancer Sansthan, these all are the government hospitals which provide the best best treatment to all over. Who are suffering from cancer also get a specialist in cancer diseases. Like hospital Mahavir Research Sansthan in Patna.
Don't listen too much. Speak something. Huh?
And AIMS in Patna, PMC, which all are the best government hospital, which gives the best treatment like this type of disease, brain tumors.
But
And
only 2 and 3 government hospital. But majority is the more government hospital don't have good treatment.
This is the point that he pointed, but all over the Patna is private hospital because there is a so big branch. If you see the branch of AIMS, here is about in a large space, which is all type of treatment.
We are not talking about Bihar.
Yeah, if you go in other states, here the all best facilities other compared to Patna.
Okay, the government hospital best facility, but in private hospital they have more facilities than government hospital.
Because
One second, I'll give you example. In private hospital, patient have their own room and quiet and their own washroom. But in government hospital, more than 20% are admit in a single room, and this is the demerit of government hospital.
no government, okay, this is the reason, but government not provide the government not provide the private does not provide a night time medical treatment in many hospitals. If you are submitted the patient emergency case, if you are going in night time, there is no seat available and suddenly there is no doctor
But in
available.
private hospital, they will come to your home.
No, their doctor will not come at time. But in government, there is one doctor is available because her duty is government. And
But in a government hospital in that time, good doctor is not available. That physiotherapist and that type of doctor.
yeah, but if you are in serious condition, there is only one doctor in government hospital.
But how?
He can handle your serious. He can only handle your serious condition, not well treatment that type of doctor. Only handle your
But
serious.
also in private hospital,
No, private hospitals where no doctor is not available because they have duty.
Private hospital there are night duties and day duties, so different types of persons are available.
But
for the
many of the
treatment
hospitals,
also.
all the doctors were.
No, I have visited there because of one of my brother was diagnosed with a knee injury. So I went there in the night, and there were so many staffs available there in the night.
Are you agree or not? Come on, huh?
It's not important that the condition of every hospital is like this.
So many private hospitals are providing this type of facilities.
Then also government hospitals also provide this type of facilities.
No, he is saying that only one person is available. If you are suffering from serious condition, so one person, how can he handle that situation? If you are suffering from a serious condition in ICU, so one can solve the problem by doing operation or anything else.
If
Awful, yeah.
suffering from, according to your point, if the patients were suffering from
Loudly thoda, huh?
suffering from serious condition, and here the many types of diseases that suffering, then suddenly one doctor will treat you at not, I say that he will do the best in your type of disease, but on that time that the patient will not die, that he should do.
So, but after the treatment, they will refer to the private hospitals. I can't deny.
If the doctors will available in this department, then he will treat.
So here, private hospital also plays a big role. If you are suffering from a serious disease, and that doctor is saying that I can't solve this problem, and just giving some temporary medicines, and I'm just referring you to the private hospital. Simple. So private hospital also saves the life of different types of
Yeah,
people.
private also safe. This is also a hospital. But if the government has ability to that I can handle this person. If suppose you say that type of government hospital, not a private, he will also, if the government hospital has prefer the government hospital, not in private. If in suppose example in the Sadar Hospital, if the doctor will say that refer the Patna, he will refer in only government hospital, not in private. Say that.
But we people of India are frightened by our fear of these hospitals because we lost many lives
Yeah, but
And concluding serious diseases like blood cancer. If you are suffering from blood cancer, you can't go to the government hospital for solving the problems.
but this is many of the in Patna many of the hospitals have a facilities in government time in government hospitals.
I am saying that the different types of private hospitals are also providing this type of facilities, and you have to pay fees in government hospitals for the treatment also.
As compared to private hospitals.
But the mortality rate, you can say the death rate, is very high in the hospitals like government, and you can
Here the
but
death
not-
rate is according to report the death rate is also equal in government and private, because if you see in corona age, if you see in corona age, no private hospitals were open, because he also get danger, he also get so serious, because I doctor get corona, and all the government hospitals treat that.
No, so many hospitals were open, but one or two is exception. But in government hospitals, for example, in PMCs also, there are different types of corona patients are roaming here and there. They're roaming here and there, and they are just
Because the
nursing
patients-
corona in that hospitals also, and
It
they
is
are
not-
they are
Yeah.
flourished by that vaccine also.
It is not.
And I'm in favor of
Private hospital.
private hospital. So in private hospital there are many facilities were available. As the case of instrument and the case of hygiene. But in the government hospital they were not available.
Okay, speak.
गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल इज पहले अपन पर
ठीक है, हाँ बोलो हाँ. She is saying to you कि in the private hospital there is a good instrument, but in the government hospital they use mostly 2 times that instruments. Is it right or not?
It is wrong because
Come on, your side is.
in private hospital, doctor take too much money. If a patient give too much money, they only treat them. They not treat those people not give too much money.
But if you want good quality of treatment, then you have to pay money.
But for treatment,
They are not able to pay money. That's why they go to government hospital. If they are able to pay money, then we choose a private hospital first.
then it is good for poor people and also good for the rich person.
If you, in the case of rich person, they never choose to go in a government hospital. First, they choose private hospital.
We are also belong to a middle class family. Middle class family also go in a government hospital.
No, I think they also go to private.
No, mostly people also go.
हाँ, take it this mic and speak.
Mostly people also go in government hospital and mostly not even choose a private and government. They only go to a pharma, a medical shop.
It's one type of disease from if they suffering.
Suffering,
And if in the case of middle class family, they also choose firstly the.
No, they do not choose because in also my medical shop there are many types of person of middle class family or also rich people come and they do checkup from government hospital.
But also it is the demerit of government hospital that their staff and nurses were not concerned with their patients. And in the private hospital, all the nurses were concerned with their patients. And
What do you
in a
make us for tell me concern?
concern is that they are not take care of their patient perfectly. They think that if what happen if I
How
not
can you
care,
say that?
my payment will come to me. Then
No, it's not important. They also in
it's
government.
happening. Yeah.
Where have you gone?
Because it's a very good. It's a very good. Then after now you are going.
Yeah,
One time I went to government hospital.
Why you
in the
went
case
to-
of my tooth pain.
Why you went to government hospital?
I tell you, after that I never went to that hospital because when I went there, they
You might
suggest,
choose have a wrong
they
hospital.
suggest me to do X-ray from outside the hospital. So if I go there, then
Not in
I
every
want
hospital. Let me speak it right. Not every government hospital because mostly you are living in Bihar.
Jahanabad. That's why they are not in Bihar. You are in Bihar, but in Jahanabad. So that's why sometimes, but out of Bihar you will go. Then mostly people.
Is Bihar doesn't exist in India?
What?
In India, Bihar doesn't exist.
Yeah, it exists, but it is not a developed area.
Develop a state.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's not matter that it's developed or not.
It matter. It is.
Do you go to private hospital or not?
No, I have no one.
No, I think you are telling lie.
lie.
Huh?
No, I have not gone because I have no need to go to private hospital.
You never
Go.
meet anytime.
If it means it is good.
What do you mean, sir? Private government कैसे क्या होगा?
Clinic.
कैसे clinic कैसे private हो सकता है?
Private, yes. Huh? Do you take money or not? When any person who
in clinic doctors are just taking fees for the treatment, but in
But
government.
but in clinic they are not doctors. They are businessmen. They do not have
So
any idea
doctors
how
are
to do surgery.
doctors profession is also business.
Hmm.
If you are going to do MBBS after the expense of 1 crore rupees, if this is the fees of MBBS,
Okay.
and you are not getting money after the treatment, then how can you do it? How can you manage your
yes.
expenses
Huh?
if you are doing MBBS? This is not general type of degree, na?
Yeah. Private hospital doctors only do business. They do not take. They do not do perfect surgery or any type.
So this is your professionalism. If you are a professional in all the things, they will do different type of surgeries for the treatment of, for example, for the treatment of dental problems. You will see dentist there. For the heart attack or anything else, there is cardiologist. So there are different types of segments.
They also
The doctors are not available. They are opening their clinics in the house, in the first floor or the second floor, and they are running there, and they are just giving treatment there.
not more.
Government hospital, the doctor will say, please come to my clinic. I will solve these problems. I have no time to.
Not mostly everywhere. How
Yeah.
can you see?
Yes, huh?
Most of
It
the
is,
doctors,
huh?
They are doing that.
Huh?
Most of the doctors,
Yeah, they are
but
doing
not
that for
every,
the-
but
for the
not
sake
every
of
doctor
doing.
is doctor is
Every
not-
doctor is not, but exceptions are there.
Hmm.
But also in private hospitals they also.
No, private hospital has a clinic.
They don't take
Private hospital has a clinic, huh? No,
Private
because
hospitals and clinics
huh?
also.
It is a private.
These are
That is the private,
They are-
na? He
they
can
are getting
take
fees.
money.
They are earning money from the
Hmm.
operation.
But if there is a medicine cost of 5 rupees, they take 50 rupees, 60 rupees.
No, there is a MRP. There is a
They
MRP.
are taking
Huh?
price tag.
Yes, huh?
They are taking prices, but tax is too much.
So this is the government's problem, na?
Huh?
If they are
Not in government, I am talking about private
So
hospitals.
medicines facilities are same there. If you are just if you visit to the government hospital, there is paracetamol for all the diseases, different types of diseases. You just eat paracetamol.
Yes, you
No,
have
it's
to.
not important. Government hospital also.
So can you take a paracetamol for the diarrhea, for malaria, for everything
No,
else?
no, I am not talking about. There are many types of different types of medicine are also available in government.
No, they are not providing it. They are providing.